Hi everyone, my name is Ewing Singer and this is my BookSwap application. BookSwap is a Flutter application that allows students to exchange textbooks with each other. The application uses Firebase for authentication, Firestore for the database, and Firebase storage for images. So let me walk you through all the features. Now first, let's start with the user authentication. I have the Firebase authentication enabled with and email and password enable. So let's sign up a new user with my password. So after signing up, the application sends a verification email which you will need to verify before you sign in the next time. So let's verify our email. Yeah, the one who just was sent at 6. Let's verify our email. And then you will see that your email has been verified. Now for the next time we need to sign in, it's going to work. So as you can see here, let's refresh. As you can see in the Firebase console, the new user has been created and it appears here with the UID and the email they used. So now you can sign in every time you want to use the application. Now this is our browse screen where users can see all available books posted by other students, and this one here is a book I posted with my other account, the other email, and each book card uh, it shows the title, the author, the condition, and what the owner wants to swap for. Just like here, you have absolutely everything. All right, all these books are stored in Firestore. Let's check the book collection. Let's go to our Firestore database. Okay, it's right here. As you can see, yeah. Okay, so when I tap on book, I can see the full details, including absolutely everything in our collection. It is saved here. Now let me show you how to post a book. You will come to my listing. You will click on plus. You will enter a book title. Let's, for example, say like an HTML book. The author, my second name. And let's say I'm looking for like a Flutter book. You can choose the condition, new, like new, or either. Good. So about the images, I will need to enable the Firebase storage, and I will have to pay for it. For now, you can select a book, select to add an image. You can choose your email. It's gonna work, but you cannot post the book because I've not already paid for the storage, so it's not going to work. So let's post without the cover image. So when I click the post, the app uploads everything and creates a new document in Firestore. As you can see, our book is right here and here in the Firebase Firestore storage. You can see the book added. I think it's this one right here. Like new our HTML. We're looking for the flutter, the status it's available, the owner email, the dates, like absolutely everything. Okay, now back in my app, we have everything here. So this happened in real time with a refreshing the page thanks to Firestore real time listeners. Now, about editing a book. Now, let me demonstrate the update operation. I will tap on my book, and then here we have the edits. So we can click on edits to modify the book details. Let's say like okay, let's change the condition to used maybe, and let's swap for like database systems maybe. All right, let's update. When I click on update, the changes are saved. You can see it, the changes are saved. Yeah, right here, the condition to use. We're looking for a database systems book and looking at the Firebase console. Sorry, the Firebase console. We can see the book document has been updated, and the condition is now used. We're looking to swap for a database systems book. Okay, now let me demonstrate the swap functionality. So let's sign out. Let's sign out and use my other account. So we can simulate another student. Now, as the second user, I can like browse available books. I can see the HTML book that I've just posted with my other accounts here, and I'm interested in this book. So I'll tap a request swap, and then a request swap will be sent to the other account. And in the Firebase console, a new document has been created. We can check. Let's refresh the page. Yes, a new document has been created in the swap offers, and it contains the book ID, the sender, the receiver information, and the status is pending now. Now, you can also notice that the book status has changed to pending, right? Now, uh, this once it shows pending, it prevents other users from requesting the same book since you have already requested the book. Okay, now back in the application, uh, the book swap also includes that a real-time chat feature so users can communicate about the swaps. So let me send a message. Let's go back to the other account to check that our swap offer works, and then we will try to send a message. All right. So let's check here. Like when you're interested in a book and then you want to request to swap, you can message the owner and then you can say a message like, "Hello, I am interested in your book." Let's send it. You can see that the message is sent. Sorry, can we swap? Send it. Now, when a message is sent, it is instantly stored in Firestore. So let's go back to our Firestore console. Let's refresh. And in our Firebase console, we will see the chat collection with like sub collection for messages. Its message has the sender ID, the text, and the timestamp. Right here, chats. Just as I said, we have like the message, a timestamp right here. Yep. So let's go back to our application. Now, if I switch to the other account, we will see the message in real time and reply. So if we come to, yeah, it's right here. Come to touch, and then we can see the message sent on the other accounts, and then we can also reply, and then it's real time. The other user will see it. Hello, how are you? And then something like, yes, sure. And then yes, it's a real-time chat. So yes, this is everything here. Now let's go to our delete operation. Let's go back. We'll come to home, and then the first this one I've created with this account. As I told you, we'll have the edit operation and then the delete operation. And then we can click on delete. If I want to remove the book, I can just tap on delete. After confirming, the book is removed. So looking at the Firebase console, the book document has been deleted, and then we only have the one remaining created on our other account. The book, only the book created on our account is remaining, and the one on this one is immediately removed. All right, so this is absolutely everything. Um, so we have our setting screen. Our setting screen, you can have your profile, enable the notification reminder, the email updates, and about on our application. So now you have absolutely everything here. Now, the application uses provider for state management. As I navigate between tabs, you can see that data persists and updates in real time across all screens. When a book is added, updated, or deleted, all screen listening to the data automatically updates without like manual refreshing. So yeah, it's easier. So to summarize, BookSwap is a complete crowd application with user authentication, with email verification, create, read, update, and delete operation for books, a real-time database sync with Firestore, image uploads to Firestore storage we will enable with time, and the swap functionality with status tracking. So we also have the real-time chat between user, as I showed you, the user setting and preferences, and the clean state management using provider. So all data is stored in Firebase. All data is stored in Firebase and sync in real time across devices. So thank you very much for watching my application.